Hey guys, I'm Grasse, and I'm the owner of Making My Websites. I just released this book, Go Digital, and basically it's 10 essential lessons about managing online marketing online yourself. So it talks about how to research topics and keywords, how to build articles, how to research your competition, how to do a bunch of branding aspects of your business, and generally how to have an awesome website. So go and download it for free. I do have another book called Unconventional Marketing, where I outline the specific things I did, namely in branding, social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing in order to organically grow my brand and sell it, which is something I did 6 years ago. And you can too. So the whole point of my current business is basically to establish the platform for you and help you execute the system. Now you don't have to use my platform. You can actually use any platform. They're all universal principles and you can use them for any business, no matter what industry you're in. So go and download the book for free. Contact us if you need more information, and if you'd like us to give you the cheat code by basically getting you started on all these systems, that's what we do. So check out our website and continue looking for these videos and tutorials in the future.